you for clicking today's video. My name is Faith and here is Koki's Kitchen. In case it's your first time, you're so much welcome. Thank you for being here. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. In case you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. So a good fan of mine asked me, Koki, we've never seen Githeri on your channel. We only see cakes, we only see tea scones, pancakes, and chicken. We've never seen Githeri, and oh my god, I paused for a minute and I was like, what? By the way, I've not done a Githeri recipe. So guys, here we go, Koki's Githeri recipe. Let's get started.